Hey guys, welcome back. This is episode 33 of Trading to a Million by JPS Trading, 13th of October 2020, Tuesday, day 2 of this new trading setup. So, yeah, really growing to like this actually. Even though I felt a little bit constricted at first, probably just need to get a bigger screen or a second screen for that matter. But look, this was working fine in terms of that. So, look, I've got a small position here a little bit early on. It's just after about 8 a.m. or so, thereabouts. I was waiting for some weakness into the market, and then was looking to buy going into the open. So we've picked up just a small parcel here. I just want to see what the market's going to do moving forward, and see how it plays out. We've still got, little under about 2 hours till market open, so a lot can happen. This just appeared to be a pretty simple demand level, so I was pretty happy to pick it up. So look, I've put another order to pick up a few more parcels if it does proceed to drop lower. I'm pretty confident that this is going to go long in terms of that, so we will see how this plays out. Now, obviously, look, this position's just tracking along really reasonably at the moment. Hope everyone is having a good week though. Having a good week this week so far in terms of that. Let me know in the comment section as well. Something else I can post, not just your feedback, but any of your experiences. Look, I'm not here to give advice or anything like that, but if you do have any questions in anything related to obviously trading or investing or whatever it may be, yeah, feel free to drop them below. I'll obviously give you my honest opinion and stuff like that, or if you just need someone just to bounce off just a little bit, it's always handy to do that. So look, we're getting pretty close to about 9 a.m. Looks like this CFD is moving in the favour that I would like it to go. And look, obviously if we can get a strong open, then that's going to be great to see at about 9 a.m. And depending on how that goes, we'll make the decisions accordingly, obviously with that. So we're just about to hit 9 a.m. There it is. So we had a nice little push to the upside. This is the US futures, obviously coinciding with that, and we're looking for that to break that previous high that you can see that it retested before it came down low. And this domestic CFD is just going nuts. So it looks like it's going to break that level, which it has, and looks like the US is obviously following suit. Now, just providing a bit of an update here. Yeah, that's it's done really well, and you're probably thinking, what have you done here, Jacob? So this is a little bit odd. I thought I actually included this in the video. You can actually check on my Instagram. So I took the one parcel profit at about $80. So from the entry point, I believe it was around 61.88 thereabouts, and now we're getting to about 9.50, which it is at the moment. And there was a huge amount of weakness come in, and I've thankfully picked it up just below about 61.70, which is pretty close to the lows. So look, I'm just holding this now. I've got an order ready to go just at a break even if it's just going to sit there. Now I'm just, and instead of this, the futures on your right here isn't the US anymore. This is the domestic market futures, so I'm just watching this and just coinciding it with my CFD on AG markets. So this trade looks like it's progressing in my favor. I'd like it to get somewhere pretty close to those highs that we got to before, say 61.90 thereabouts. And look, if it gets to those levels, then I'm going to be pretty comfortable taking that out. That was the previous highs in pre-market. Look, if it's going to go above that, so be it. But for the time being, I wasn't sure whether it was going to go much above that. So look, I've just got an order ready to go here, just at a break even that I'm pretty happy just to put in. I'm just moving it up. I'm looking for this to break this red line that I've got here, which is about 61.82. And once it breaks that, I'm going to be pretty comfortable to move a cover order in at about 5 points above, which is roughly thereabouts. So we're looking at about $75 guaranteed profit there with that. So look, I'm just going to let this play out, and again, I do have a take profit at 62.09, but if this does get to 61.90, I'm going to be pretty comfortable just to take that off the table, and just call that a win for the day. Already made about $80 on the previous trade. Obviously obviously that we took this morning. I wasn't aware that this was going to sell off so aggressively. I was actually pretty happy just to walk away with $80 earlier in the morning. But look, this opportunity presented itself, held my emotions together and took the trade because it fit my strategy in terms of that. So look, now we're just breaking to some some new highs. So market's literally just open and it seems like the market's just been let out of the cage. So tech sector ran really hard the night before. So your afterpays or your pay later, buy now pay laters seem to be moving quite well. So I've just taken that off the table. We moved in roughly about, I believe it was about $270 on that trade and $85 on the trade prior to that. So yeah, it was a nice day, up a little bit up of 350, 355 to the exact amount. So look, I'll really take that. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you have any questions, obviously drop them in there as well. Love to chat to you guys. And yeah, really enjoying the new trading setup as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.